Welcome to the Trailblazers, where we find and showcase those founders whose inventions use technology for social impact. Now this time we're focusing on urban safety, and we found a startup where wearables meets fashion meets road safety.
That's right, we've chosen Lumo, a range of clever, high visibility clothing for cyclists with built-in LED lights using wearable technology that also doubles as a style statement. Now you might think, well, what's the big deal? But this could have some significant impact on road safety.
Absolutely. Danny, it turns out that over 92% of fatalities with cyclists happen in low light conditions, yet only 10% wear high visibility clothing. Now, by virtue of being a jacket or bag that you choose to wear in the daytime or evening anyway, as a regular smart piece of clothing, Lumo could just incentivize cyclists to be safer on the road.
Yeah, I can see that. Their co-founder Lucy wants to offer an alternative to the usually unattractive high visibility vests or tiny lights that don't really help vulnerable cyclists be seen properly by larger vehicles.
And by the way, the LED lights can be concealed until they're switched on, making it something you could just as easily wear to dinner. You know what, let's just find out from Lucy. Over to her. Lucy, thanks for being on the Trailblazers. Really exciting to have you here.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thanks for inviting me.
So, Lumo is a range of very stylish cyclist clothing with built-in LED lights, and it has a fantastic urban safety angle. Tell me how this all kicked off.
So the idea started from my husband, actually, Doug, who was at the time my boyfriend. He got hit off his bike on the way to work in London one morning. Nothing too serious, but the driver said to him, "Sorry mate, I didn't see you, you should be wearing high-vis clothing." He didn't want to wear high-vis clothing, he wanted something that was fashionable, that he could wear into the office and not feel stupid wearing. So we wanted something together that was comfortable, visible and stylish, and we went about making it with Lumo.
So this is sort of fashion meets tech meets urban safety, which is quite a nice combination.
Yeah, and difficult to make, but it was really important that we had the style-driven element in there as well. Something that you could get off the bike, walk into work or a cafe or restaurant and not feel self-conscious, not look like a cyclist, but at the same time be seen to traffic on the bike. Rightly or wrongly, vanity does play a part in decision making, and we wanted to make clothes and bags that you could wear in different situations. It doesn't have to be on the bike, but every time you need them to, they light up. So you can choose when you're visible and when you're not.
Now, Lucy, presumably this is not super straightforward in terms of bringing to market. You didn't just wake up one day and go, right, I want to design this, and then out it comes.
Yeah.
So what's been difficult along the way?
I wish we could have done that. No, it has been difficult along the way, and I'd say probably the biggest challenge that we've had is integrating the lights, the electronics into the jackets and bags, so that they're completely concealed until they're switched on. Because obviously we want to look like a stylish garment as well as a functional one. So that was tough, but we overcame it with the electronic supplier and manufacturer.
So tell me where you want to take Lumo in the future.
In the future, we want to be about technology for everyday wear. So things that make sense on the bike. So for us, things like navigation, when you're on the bike and you want to know how to get from A to B, but not have to have a big device on your back to do that. Wearable tech that's useful. So nanofiber technology is really interesting to us, using your body's energy to charge your battery pack, to charge your mobile phone without any battery pack needed is the next stage for us. We're not there yet, but we're definitely looking at doing that.
That sounds fascinating.
Yeah, it's very
We're going to come back to you guys when you take it to that stage and see where you're at.
Yeah, please do.
So, Lucy, I want to switch tracks slightly.
Okay.
Now, what do you get up to when you're not cycling?
When I'm not cycling, I'm actually a hockey player. So I played field hockey at the weekends. I have done that since I was about 15. Socially, I'm quite a social animal, so I like to go out a lot with my friends, and whether that's going to bars or restaurants or whatever, I'd say that's where you normally find me when I'm not working or cycling.
Now, what are, let's say, 2 destinations globally that you've never been to that if I said you could be there now, what might they be?
South Africa, 100%. Want to go there on honeymoon. Haven't had a chance to get there yet because if we keep putting it off.
Hint, hint.
And I think maybe Rome. I've never been. Love
Bustling,
to go.
crazy,
romantic.
busy Rome.
Yeah.
With all manner of people and food. Oh, that sounds like fun.
Food being a big factor. Yeah.
Are you quite a foodie then?
Yeah, I love my food. Yeah, pizza, mainly Italian food actually, pizza, pasta.
So Lucy, listen, thank you so much for being on the Trailblazers. It's been really fun getting to know you and also learning more about Lumo and where you guys want to take it. I'm going to keep an eye on this.
Thank you, it's been really great to be here.
So I'm in Piccadilly Circus in central London and I'm about to test the Lumo jacket. Here it goes. I'm feeling safe, warm, and the most important thing, visible. And in London, that is a very important thing for a cyclist. And you know another amazing thing about this? The practicality. Most of the visibility stuff on bikes, you've got to take off, it takes time. With this, you hold your finger down on the button for 3 seconds, you walk into a place, job's a good one. So, I've had a little cycle, I'm back in one piece, and I'm looking good. I absolutely love the Lumo jacket.
Right, it's rapid fire questions with Lucine. I'm going to put you on the spot. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, science or art?
Art.
The actor Bradley Cooper or the cyclist Bradley Wiggins?
Wiggo.
Stripes or polka dots?
Polka dots.
Politics or celebrity gossip?
Celebrity gossip.
Ah, gotcha. Neon green or electric yellow?
Neon green.
Dinner parties or raves?
Raves.
Ooh, kale or crisps?
Crisps.
Beach or the mountains?
Beach.
Skirts or trousers?
Trousers.
Ducks or snow? That's the one we always put
Okay.
in. That makes no
What
sense.
did you say,
And
ducks
then
or snow?
Ducks or snow. Did you know ducks love the snow?
Okay.
You don't have to pick
Snow.
one.
It's clear that Lumo are a really cool brand, young and edgy, but that's not why they're on the Trailblazers.
No, they made our cut because there's a clear social impact angle here and a real chance for their high visibility apparel that incorporates wearable tech to reduce accidents and fatalities for cyclists all over.
Making roads safer one day at a time. This has been the Trailblazers. Thank you for watching.
Now this time we're focusing on urban... Sorry. Urban safety. Sorry. Whose inventions use technology for social impact. Prompters stay
So
slow.
slow. You walk into a place, job's a good one.
Massive Santander advert, but anyway.
Santander!